Hi, everybody. Oh, the lights turned out. Oh my goodness, funny. Okay. Hi, everybody. How are you doing at home? I hope you're doing okay and having a good day. Can't wait to see you tomorrow. So today we're going to talk about frequency adverbs, and you've probably seen them before, but hopefully you'll learn a few new things in this lesson. Okay, so let's take a look. So if we look at this sentence, Ayako frequently talks on the phone, which word in the sentence is a frequency adverb? The word frequently is a frequency adverb. It tells us how often she talks on the phone. Okay, let's take a look at some other frequency adverbs. Okay, here are the positive frequency adverbs. And I'll say them if you want to repeat them. Always, almost always, usually, often, frequently, generally, sometimes, occasionally. And here are the negative ones. Seldom, rarely, hardly ever, almost ever, not ever, or never. So you may have never seen hardly ever before, but hardly ever means the same as almost never. Hardly is a negative word, and in English you can't have two negative words, so we say hardly ever. The same with not ever and never. Not ever and never have the same meaning, but you can't put two negative words together in English, so we say not ever. Okay, let's look at how we place these verbs into a sentence. In a typical sentence, we usually put the frequency adverb before the verb. So Hannah always eats lunch. Hannah sometimes eats lunch. Hannah never eats lunch, okay? But sometimes this changes if we're using the verb to be. So Hannah is always happy. Notice that because we're using the verb to be, am, is, are, was, were, the frequency adverb comes after the verb to be. So Hannah is always happy. Okay? When we ask a question, does he usually walk to school? The frequency adverb comes after the subject, after the person that you're talking about, and before the verb. And then when we make a sentence negative, we put the frequency adverb before the negative verb, before the entire negative verb, okay? He usually doesn't eat meat, okay? But if you want to use always, you would put always after the negative word, after don't or doesn't. Alex doesn't always eat meat. Okay, and I don't want to be too nitpicky with you, so it's just most important that you can use these to express yourself. Okay, let's see. Is there more that I wanted you to say? Okay, one more thing. It's correct to say Marcy never drinks milk. But you don't ever want to say doesn't never. Those two words are both negative and they don't go together. So you can't put doesn't never together. So instead of that, you would say Marcy doesn't ever drink milk. And that's what the word ever means if you haven't seen it before. Okay, thank you.